Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're looking to transfer your USDT from Coinbase to Gemini in 2025, you're in the right place. With crypto exchanges evolving rapidly, this process has become even more secure and user-friendly. Whether you're diversifying your investments or switching platforms, I'll walk you through it step by step in just a few minutes. First things first, make sure you have verified accounts on both Coinbase and Gemini. This is crucial for smooth transactions and to comply with the latest 2025 regulations, which emphasize enhanced KYC processes. Okay, let's jump in. Start by logging into your Coinbase account. Once you're in, head over to your dashboard and locate your USDT wallet. It's usually under the Assets or Wallets section. Coinbase might have updated their interface by 2025, so keep an eye out for any new layouts. Next, select the Withdraw or Send option for USDT. You'll need to enter the amount you want to transfer, but remember to check the current network fees, as they can fluctuate based on blockchain congestion. Now, switch over to your Gemini account. Go to the Deposit section and generate a USDT wallet address. Make sure it's for the correct network, like ERC20 or Tron, to avoid any errors. Copy that address carefully. Back on Coinbase, paste the Gemini address into the withdrawal form, double-check the details, and hit Confirm. You'll likely get a two-factor authentication prompt for added security, which is standard in 2025. Once submitted, the transfer should process quickly, but give it a few minutes to a couple of hours depending on network traffic. Finally, log back into Gemini and check your account to confirm the USDT has arrived. And there you have it. That's how you transfer USDT from Coinbase to Gemini in 2025. Always prioritize security by using hardware wallets if possible and staying updated on crypto news. If this tutorial helped you, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more guides, and drop a comment below if you have questions. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.